Hey guys, it's Liz here with another video for you, and I wanted to do a quick unboxing of these Mermaid chromes that I got in the mail. I posted these on my website or my Facebook page. Sorry, I've got a paper cut, so I got a nasty looking band-aid on there right now. Don't know what that goes to. But anyway, so I posted these on my Facebook group because they were on sale. I ended up waiting too late and didn't get them for quite as cheap as they were. I think they were like $9.29 whenever they first went on sale, and I waited a little bit because I didn't know if I wanted to get them or not, but then I ended up deciding that I wanted them, and I paid $9.99. Oh no. But they're still like a good price, so I wanted to go ahead and do a quick unboxing for you so you could kind of see what these are and how they're packaged, and give you kind of a quick tutorial on how to use them. So these were called like a mermaid chrome. You got 6 of them, and they all come with their own little sponge, which I like the little sponge applicators a lot better for the chroming. Some people just like to use their finger, but I like to use the sponge. I find that I get better application with those. So it looks like it's got a couple of kind of pink colors, a couple of more orangey colors, and then a light green and kind of a blue-green color. So I'm going to take these out of the package and I am going to swatch them up real quick and we will see how they look. All right, so those are the 6 colors, and they do have their own little packaging, but then they did come in this bigger package there as well. So I think it does look like some of the powder did come out into the little packages, so I'll probably just put them back in the package to keep them from getting powder all over my stuff, because I did notice on the outside of the package that does have a little bit. But yeah, so it is leaking a little bit in there. And usually you don't get a whole lot of powder with these, but you don't really need a ton of powder to chrome. So that little bit of powder goes a long way. All right, so I've got my swatch sticks all labeled, and I went ahead and put black and white gel polish over this, but the best way to chrome is with the top coat. So I'm going to put a layer of the top coat over this black and white, and then we're going to cure that just like a quick cure, flash cure for with my LED UV light. It's 120 watts, so it just takes like 5 or 6 seconds under this light for mine to do a flash cure and be good enough. The thing with chroming is you just have to figure out your light and the top coat that you like to use. And of course, this is not coming open. I just put lotion on my hands. All right, so this is number 1 in the pack, and again, like, you don't need a whole lot. They don't give you a whole lot, but you don't really need a whole lot to chrome. And just gonna put that. This is like actually very concentrated powder, it looks like. So that is going on really smooth, and it almost doesn't matter what color you put underneath it. So there is that one, and I'm going to finish it up. What I usually do if it's on my nail is I put a base coat and then top coat, but since this is just on a swatch, I'm just going to cover it with top coat and then cure it for a full 60 seconds. And then you'll really be able to see what it looks like. And I'm kind of rubbing my brush on this lint-free cloth before I put it back in, just in case there's any powder left on my brush. So I'm going to cure that. I'm going to go ahead and do the other colors, and then we will look at them all together. So there you go. You can kind of see the difference between the black and the white. I think they're pretty concentrated. I mean, once you get it on a full nail, of course, you know, like, because it's separated, you can kind of see where that separation happens. But I think that they're pretty concentrated. They're gorgeous colors. And I can't wait to see what these look like out in the sunlight. I feel like they will really shine and look really pretty. You've got a good variety of colors there. This one almost looks like a rose gold right now, teal blue. You've got kind of like a purpley pink, a light green, orange, and then a bright fuchsia pink. So I'm really happy with those. Definitely recommend those. Make sure that you pick those up while they're still on sale. I have the link in my description. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching this, and we will see you next time.